Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk about secure credit cards and which secure credit cards you can put, thousands of dollars on and which ones only have a small balance, like a $200 limit. So definitely stick around, you guys, and this is what we'll go over. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. If you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys are thumbs up the video. Make sure you guys leave me a comment if you have any questions. So make sure you guys have the 3 money bags and drop your question with that, and then I'll make a video for you about the question that you actually have. But let's jump right on into the video. So someone asked me, hey, I see the Capital One credit card that you were telling me about, but can I put $1,000 down on that? And the thing is, no, you cannot put $1,000 down on a Capital One credit card. And let me break down the different credit cards and tell you how much you can put down on them. So if you have $1,000, let's compare $1,000 to $200. So if you have $200, then you can get an Open Sky credit card. So the Open Sky credit card actually goes up to $3,000. So you can put $200 to $3,000 depending on what you want to put down on it. So you have that card that you can use. The Capital One, the only limit that they have for Capital One with that secured account is $200. So you cannot put, $1,000 down. You can't put $250 down. You can't put $500 down. It's $200, and depending on your credit, it will determine, do you have to put the full $200 down? Because they have something where if your credit is not too bad, then you could put $49 down, or you could put $99 down. So you got to figure out where you'll be in that, but you can only put $200 down on that. And then they have the Credit Builder credit card. So the Credit Builder credit card, I really like this credit card because it actually reports in 2 weeks. It's with First Premier Bank. So you guys, that's a good company because they actually report to the credit bureaus. Some of these secure credit cards do not report, you guys. So with them, you're allowed to have 2. Open Sky, they allow you to have 1. Capital One, you can only have 1 secure. This company actually allows you to have 2. And you have a $200 deposit that you have to put down. So the $200 deposit, it'll be just your secure credit card limit, just like the Capital One. So you'll put that money down. You can get 2 of them, so you'll put $400 down if you decide to have that. 2 credit cards. I cannot even talk right now, you guys. If you decide to have those 2 credit cards, and keep this in mind, you want to have 4 credit cards total. So if you can get more credit cards, go ahead and get it. But they're going to report within 2 weeks. So definitely, you guys, it's a good card for you to get. But if you're in Wisconsin, don't think about it. We can't do it in Wisconsin. You'll have to get the Open Sky or Capital One. So another credit card I want to tell you guys about, if you want to put higher amounts down, over $2,000, let me tell you these last 2 accounts. So you have the Citibank and you have the Discover. So with the Citibank and Discover, they'll allow you to put $200 minimum up to about $2,500 that you can put into these secured accounts. So you have all these different options, you guys, on which secure credit cards you actually want to get. So remember, you guys, if you're in Wisconsin, you cannot get the Credit Builder card. The Credit Builder card is really good, but if you're in Wisconsin, you can't actually get that card. So I know, you guys, I know. And if you guys already signed up for that self-lender, here's a bonus. If you guys already signed up for that self-lender, the installment account that you pay the $48 every month to, or you probably pick $25 or even a higher amount, but the account you got to keep paying on because it's raising your credit score. So listen, if you get that account, if you make 3 of your payments on time, at least have $100 in your account, they'll send you a secure credit card with that money you already paid. So you don't have to pay anything additional. Now that's if you extra sneaky and you want to have 2 accounts for 1. Well, 2 accounts for 1. 2 accounts for 1, but if you extra sneaky, you want to get that extra account, then that is something that you can do. And every time you keep paying to that self, they can actually move that amount over, so now your credit limit is rising. So maybe you start off at the $150, but every time you pay another $50 to it, it's a $200 limit now, a $250 limit, a $300 limit. It can keep going up like that. So I really like that account, you guys. But if you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop your questions down in the comments. Leave the 3 money bags. Make sure you guys are checking the score to 21,000, because those people that actually watch me live and they want to come on as a guest to ask a question, then that's where I'm going to actually go ahead and find them. So definitely text the score to 21,000. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.